cane juice process. So where you buy cane, Tracy?
Why, Molan Hill, Darliston, Ronas Keto, anywhere me can get.
Okay, and then you carry them home, you wash them off, nice and clean. You juice over here, so. And then little more people she go show you how she do the juicing, see? So fresh cane juice, Sheffield, on your way to Negril. If you reach a golf club, you reach too far. So this you use to strain it?
Cheesecloth.
Cheesecloth? Okay.
Pre-strain.
Okay.
This so, and when we finish now and do buckle it up,
Strain it again?
we need another strain.
Okay. One bottle of cane juice, 250, add your ginger, and then white rum optional. That's how you go, Tracy?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
That's how you go.
Yeah, man. White rum, you can tip a little white rum in it and build a little vibe.
If you want to get a little bit high, you know?
No, not really want to get high, just want to feel nice like. Just want to feel good and drink your cane juice and relax, you know? Yeah, man, that's something, man. Right now, Sheffield, and you wait to Negril, people. So if you're there at Negril and feel like some cane juice are just 5 minutes out of Negril, right at Sheffield, there, so grab your cane juice. You also have nice coconut. You can get cut up cane bag up. If you have teeth and feel like you want to charge some cane. But if you don't have no teeth and you just want the cane juice, yeah, man, you can just get your cane juice extracted and just see them so we do it. Yeah, man, that's something there. All natural.
Natural.
Yeah.